Guys, listen. I got it again. Not even a week later, I got it again. I went ahead and bought the RX100 Mark VI after returning it because I just couldn't resist one simple thing. This beautiful, but 4K freaking quality. I tried and I couldn't. This is in low light. This is not the best condition. Look at that focus though. Look at that focus. So basically, the 4K is the primary reason why I went ahead and got the RX100 Mark VI again. I think what put me over the hump was using the Canon EOS M50 4K, realizing that despite the not so good autofocus, that quality is just near what Sony's producing in their camera. So I said, you know what? It's expensive, it is what it is. Luckily for me, I found a used one at Best Buy in excellent quality. To me, it looks just brand new. So that shaved off $100 some, and I went ahead and bought it again. So basically, just wanted to let you guys know kind of what I did here. This is a quick little update. Nothing more, nothing less. But let me know in the comment section below if you've actually considered buying this camera, or if you will buy this camera, or if you're even considering getting the new RX100 Mark V. They've actually updated the RX100 Mark V. I think they call it the V8. Basically just changing the internals, the processor, making it quicker, but keeping what the Mark V was known for, which was that lower aperture, I think the 1.8. So a much quicker lens that allows much more low light, but limited in the range. So let me know what you guys think about that, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Salute. Is that how we? No. Hold on.
Stay geeky.
Peace. Salute. Adios.